Check the name of each part of the product. First, put a gunny sack on the chestnut stripper's outlet, put the plug in, and turn on the power switch. Put less than 300 grams of chestnuts into the slot. Shells are stripped within 30 to 50 seconds. Pull the grip to the left to take out the stripped chestnuts. When stripped chestnuts come out, close the outlet and turn off the power switch. Do not forget, after turning on the power switch, put chestnuts into the machine. Please be sure to check the notice. Do not put foreign substances into the slot. Do not put your hand into the outlet. Do not spray water on the machine. It can cause engine problems. When you clean and disassemble the machine, do not forget to unplug. Clean the rotary plate with a fine-textured cloth. Do not use a scrubbing brush or a knife. Put your hand into the outlet and hold the blade to fix the plate, and then loosen the fixed bolt to separate the rotary plate. At this time, be sure to tighten the fixed bolt completely when assembling without breaking it. Otherwise, it can cause an accident as the rotary plate can drop out. When touching the blade, take care not to get injured. The damage caused by the user cannot be covered by our after-sales service.